Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn off auto deposit TD Bank. Turn off your deposit through online banking is a straightforward process. To do this, you need to have an active online banking account with TD Bank. Log in to your banking account. Navigate to Interrace e-transfer settings, found under transfers. Here you will see auto deposit. Click on manage auto deposit. You will see the option turn off. Then click turn off. A confirmation message will appear. Confirm the action and you have successfully turned off auto deposit. Just like online banking, this method requires you to be an active user of TD Bank mobile app. The application provides a user-friendly platform to navigate your finances. Open TD Bank mobile app and log in. Tap on menu, then tap on transfers. Look for the Interact e-transfer settings. Under auto deposit, you will see an option to manage auto deposit. Tap it. Next to your email, you will see turn off. Click on it. A prompt to confirm your action will appear. Confirm the action and that's it. You have successfully turned off auto deposit on your mobile device. For those who aren't as technologically savvy, or for those who prefer human interaction, turning off auto deposit can also be done simply by calling TD Bank's CSR. Dial the TD Bank customer service number, this one over here. Follow the automated prompts to connect with the customer service agent. Once connected, request to turn off the auto deposit feature. The agent will verify your identity by asking you a series of questions. After verification, your request will be processed. In conclusion, depending on your convenience and preference, there are 3 potential ways to turn off your auto deposit settings with TD Bank. All of these methods are meant to make your banking process easier and more personal. Be sure to understand each method to choose what works best for you. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.